everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. I had some time to kill today, so I figured we would take a look at the progress on the Byrne Dairy gas station that's going up here on Loader Avenue and Main Street. It's been a little while since I did an update, so I figured we'd come check it out. This thing is going up like an Amish barn. It's going up fast. Gonna try to record this whole shoot here in 5K. Don't know if I'll be able to upload it in 5K or edit in 5K. Haven't really tried before, so we'll see how it goes. Looks like those little things right there are for the canopy of the gas station. We're up on Main Street now. So this part where all these bulldozers are is where the former Friendly's building was. And I would assume that this is where the island for the gas station is gonna go. Like the little roof and canopy like I just said. It is freaking cold out here today. Woo! This place is like a Wawa. I love Wawa. You can get hot food, cold food, smoothies. It's a really great gas station chain, and I wish they would come to our area. But hey, if Byrne Dairy is like 50% as good, I think I'll be happy. Well, hey, make sure to give the video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. I'm really close to my goal of 1,000 subscribers, so I'd really appreciate it.